Can I take their picture? You can just keep walking there, just kind of neat with them. Oh, neat, they came up to it. A lot of them are shy or they won't come up to the camera. That's great, thank you. Okay guys, we are back at it, and this is our final video from Cincinnati. I really do appreciate you guys hanging out with us and checking out all 3 of these videos in this series. Thought it was kind of neat to split them up like that instead of putting, 2 hours together all at one time, give you a little chance to absorb it. I'm in Indianapolis right now, actually recording this a few days later, but I wanted to put a recap on this little series in Cincinnati. It's something that will now entice me to get out to some other towns, and just for the change of scenery, I think it's done a great job. I think it's really been helpful for me anyway. It kind of got my creative juices flowing again. Okay, so a couple big announcements here. Of course, as you know, Ricoh released this week the firmware update 1.41, I believe, that allows you to do the snap focus touch shutter, as well as sync up some GPS stuff with your cell phone. I really don't use either of those. My alarm's going off here. That means my meter's about to expire. Dilemma of a street photographer, where to park. Okay, so as I was saying, that is a very good feature to have. Both those features are good to have. I don't use them. I don't use the touch shutter when I'm using street photography. I've got my GA1 coupler here. I've got the GA1 coupler. I've got the UV filter on there, the 49mm filter, and I've got my thumb grip. Those 3 things I use a lot. I mean, they're always with me. They're always on the camera. At any rate, those work great for me as far as accessories. As far as these firmware updates, hats off to Ricoh for making that happen. Regardless of whether you use the snap focus feature on the shutter release or not, something I probably won't use very often, it's great that Ricoh is updating these things, and they're giving us updates. They could easily just say, hey, if you want that, go buy the street edition and spend a few extra bucks and put some more money in their pocket. But it's great that they also released those features for the GR3, and it made a big debut on Facebook and all that. So brought the community to get together a little bit, I believe. So that was all really cool, and again, hats off to Ricoh for doing that. So there won't be any of that in this video because, of course, the feature came out before or after my trip to Cincinnati. And like I said, it's not something I'll use much anyway. I'll try to address it in the next couple videos, but there's going to be some good videos out there on it. Samuel Street Life has a great one of how to download this firmware, how to put it in the camera, and what it means for you. I would suggest, highly suggest going and checking him out. That dude knows his Ricoh. So again, I appreciate it, guys. Back to Cincinnati. This will be the final Cincinnati installment until I go back and get more. So I hope you enjoy it. Leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and certainly please like and subscribe, guys. I really appreciate that. All right, let's get to the video, guys. Okay, we are back at it. I've replaced the batteries, so we have a fresh battery in both the Ricoh and the GoPro 7 Black. So we're going that way. It's 3 o'clock, almost 3 o'clock, so I've been here since, 1:30-ish. Oh, bicycle. Guy on a bike. Didn't get turned enough for that one. Hey man, I don't want to impose on you or anything. Can I take your picture? You just got a cool look there, man. I'm from Indianapolis. Let me get down low here and get kind of a cool shot. I'll send these to you if you want. No charge, of course, but If you want to put my email address in there or something, you can send me an email. And I'll,
cell phone number?
well, yeah, okay, that'll work. That's fine. Can I take your picture? Can I take your picture?
You want to take my picture?
Yeah, I mean, I'll send it to you. I'm a street photographer. You just got, just like that, dude, man. You got a cool look going. Let me jump through here.
I'm gonna take a picture of you taking a picture.
That's fine, no problem. And then if you want to send me an email or whatever, I'll send it to you.
No.
But you just color coordinated with it. You obviously work here, okay.
Do I need to look at the camera?
Actually, let's get some with you. Look at me. We'll hop up close here. Okay, and now we're gonna back up. Keep looking, gotta get the full shot. Now I'm gonna do some creative stuff here.
Maybe just look down. This is weird.
Here we go. I just look for interesting people. I'm from Indianapolis.
Cool.
And I just look for interesting people on the street.
I'm gonna put my mask on too.
And
because of the time.
well, you still got what, 2 hours, 3 hours before it's illegal?
Right.
And at 6 o'clock, I heard coming in. Yeah, we got the same thing in Indianapolis. They just hit us with it, so.
So you're a photographer?
Right on. Yeah, this will be a YouTube video too.
I'm on YouTube. Please tag me.
Absolutely, dude. Absolutely. Okay, on YouTube, it would be DozierGraphic. There we go. See that one? Yeah, that's me right there.
Subscribe right there.
Awesome.
Appreciate you, man.
Silver, I appreciate it, buddy.
Thank you, man.
Right on. Oh, the GoPro, yeah, GoPro's still going. Okay, that's always good to know. Oh, getting warm today. I'm going to be wore out tonight, that's for sure. Cool. Get these people right here. Could you do me a favor? Take a big puff of that and blow it out. That's awesome. Actually, step out here just a hair, get in the sun. There we go, right like that. Just, oh, step out a little further, There we go. Okay, there we go. Now I got better light. Do that again. There we go, right on. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Have a good day. The scooter shot came out. Oh yeah, kind of. Hopefully good enough. Oh, look at the off-road. Shoot. Come on, don't move, don't move. I need to haul ass a little quicker, one or the other. Oh. Come on, here we go. Excuse me, ma'am, can I have permission to take your picture?
Oh, sure.
You just look cool with that mask and the hair and everything.
Oh, thank you. Should I look at the camera or look at what?
Wait a minute here. Let's let me get on this side of me real quick. I don't want to hold you up here either, but there we go. Perfect. Now go ahead and look at me. Okay, a little closer. And then let's do one here, and you just kind of look down the street. Classic kind of looking down the street. I want to get a little bit of your face in. Excellent. Thank you so much. Are you one of the meter maids or whatever? Or are you like a meter maid or something? Or
No, supervisor for Metro.
Oh, supervisor. There you go.
Yeah.
Excellent. All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bit ratchety, but that'll work. Oh, gotta get this dude in the smoke shop. As we hoped, I'm in front of him. But I'm going to get him coming out of this, right out of the sun here. Get him coming around the corner. Just like this. Tell me I got that. Because nobody else is coming up the way.
Give me one. Told me I had £2.5.
Pretty much covered this central location. Can I take their picture? You can just keep walking there, just kind of neat with them. Oh, neat, they came up to it. A lot of them are shy or they won't come up to the camera. That's great, thank you. Okay. That is a cool street down there, so I'm gonna walk back down that way. Not really chasing the light today or using the light much, but I'm just trying to get photos. Let's see if I can get across the street.
exit right there, but this is the only...
Okay, so I would have had to come in this way, so, okay, cool. I think I'm on the 4th floor. Thanks, man. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I was on the 4th floor. So, okay guys, I think we're gonna call it a day today. I'm not sure exactly how many photos I got. Oh, it looks like around 416. So I only took 416, but boy, well, that's a lot actually. And I've been here for about 2 hours. Seems a lot longer than that. And maybe even a third video to see if I can find my car. Okay, we're not on this floor, obviously. Well, at least I found the right parking garage. There we go. Right on. There we are. All right, so that's going to do it for our Cincinnati trip. I hope you enjoyed it. We're going to cut things off here and we'll put a beginning and ending on and all that good stuff. All right, guys. Out.